What's going on, guys? Christian here from CK Wraps. I'm going to be wrapping the rear quarter panel, the very small quarter panel section on this Tesla Model X, wrapping it in Vivid Color Fusion Gloss Chalk Gray. This is a cosmetic paint protection film. Again, all the benefits of paint protection film with color. We're going to be doing this with a wet installation. Drop that right on there. Okay, good coverage. Got a couple inches on the bottom. Let's give myself enough on the top. Okay, so I'm actually going to do this a little bit differently. We're going to squeegee out the bottom first. It's the easiest part. There's my light. It'll also make the material much more manageable. Okay, so now check that out. Just swing that around. Everything's nice and flat. Boom, it's done, right? So let's hold it tight. Nice. Okay. Take that, pull it, get it back into position again. Boom, just like that, okay? Come up through here. Follow your wrinkles, your fingers, that's how I'm doing. There we go. These wrinkles, or fingers, I'm just gonna pull them up a bit, just make them more flat, especially right here. And then when I get up to here in this recess, you're gonna see the film just plops down really nicely. You can even just go in with your hand first, just like that. So it's all laid in beautifully. Zero tension in that recess, more or less. Now the thing with TPU is that if I have too much tension there, or for sure by tomorrow, even in room temperature, this will pull back. Even probably would have pulled back right now, but it hasn't yet. So it's a good material to show you if you screwed up, it will show you right away. Because again, you have to flush everything. See, it's staying. When you get a solid amount of tack solution, you hit it just right, film just stays down. Top section right there, good. Think about the tack solution as like it's cleaning or rinsing the edges. By that, what I mean is we're rinsing away the shampoo or the soap. Again, you can see how it's already sticking, right? I'm not gonna try and bother with it right now because some areas will stick, some areas won't. So this is why you just come back to it later, let it dry. Guys, we're back. Rear quarter panel. It's a very small quarter panel because you can start basically wherever you want, but I prefer to finish up this and this before I work on this. So I'm gonna start right up here at the top, and you can see the film is already tucked in underneath. I can even give it a slight lift if I need to. Now I feel better about that. Okay. Nice, okay. So I'm gonna use the triangle tool to elevate the film. And then I'm gonna get that rolled in underneath just like so. Boom, just like that. And I even covered this edge right here, just in case it's shown. Get that tucked in there. Okay, you can see a nice indentation there, nice clean line going all the way across. Yeah, tightens up quite a bit down here. Beautiful. I want to go in a little bit further here because this actually opens up. Nice. Okay. Even look at the corner over here, for example, okay? See how the manufacturer had to make it? So there's only so good I can obviously do this, right? We're doing this all by hand. Cool. Take that, fold one end. I'll go bottom first. Okay. Now, does my corner look any worse than the manufacturer's? Nope. Look at that. Okay. Let's go here first. And that's pretty much it for the rear quarter panel, working around the tail light area. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. We have other ones coming up, so I look forward to seeing you at those ones. Thank you for watching as always. I appreciate it. Take care.